Hello and welcome to the another episode for D365 for finance and operation. In this video I'm going to share you how to set up price or discount group on a vendor. So it is possible that we create a price group or a discount group that is applicable to multiple vendors. For this, in D365 for finance and operation, they provide the vendor price and discount groups option. You find this option in procurement and sourcing, and then vendors, price and discount, and price and discount groups. For this you have to go in procurement and sourcing module and then expand vendors and price and discount agreement, and here is vendor price and discount groups. So you find here four options: price group, line discount group, multi-line discount group, and total discount group, and all those values are associated with these trade agreements. You can create and select trade agreement based on this price groups. So I'm going to create a new price group. I'm test 1 and test 1 price. Okay, and save. Similarly, I create line discount 04 and second high line discount group, and then I'm going to multi-line, and again test ML high value. Then I create a total discount group, and again I create test. Okay, now next step is how to attach these discount or price groups to the vendor. For this you have to go into procurement and sourcing, all vendors, and here I'm going to select 104, and here you found a purchase order defaults, and this is the area where you can set up all those groups you attach. So I'm click on edit, and multi discount I select test ML. For total discount I select test. Price group I select test, and line discount group I select this one. So in this way you can set up a price or discount group on a vendor, and when you run the purchase order, the items selected in the trade agreement will become with respect to that or a price group, and how you can attach on vendor. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.